I-try natin siyang i-record, guys. Ang ibon na to. So, we'll see if it could fly. Yeah. Oh my God. You're flying. Hello. Can I get closer to you? Yeah. Meron siya dyan, guys, isa nagtatago. We'll see kung kaya natin lapitan. Kaso dapat sila yung lumalapit. No? Ala, kinagarukay man. Ako kapag ko napapansin ng mga ibon, ngayon napapansin ko naman naghahalikan. So, tatlo yan siya, guys, na ibon. Oh, that's so many monster right there. Oh, di siya nakita. Dapat pala mas ganyan siya. Mas makita yung naghahalikan. Hello! Saka na lang dyan. Oh my God. Are you bringing me in here? As you know? So, kanina pala, guys, napansin ko yung pikoy. Just I never seen that before. Pagpunta ko doon, pagkuha ng cellphone ko doon sa mama ko. I don't know, like, very closer. Like, dangerous too, to be that close. Hello? 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 Hi! Hello? Let's make it better than it never. Hello? 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 Ito, kinagaro ko do. Yun, anak ito. Potay, kay duwat iyab-iyab. Duwat iyab-iyab. Sana nakita nyo, no? I don't know if it could see. Where are you? Oh, natakot siya kasi gumalaw ako. Hello! 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 Ito yung walang magawa sa buhay, guys. Pati ibong pinagdiskitahan. Hello! 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 Ayoko na. Nagtakas na ako. Yun lang.